Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel.
How you doing, guys? This is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the supine 90-90 hip lift exercise. This exercise is very helpful to strengthen and stabilize your hip and pelvis. We will go over some cues to help you make the exercise more successful, and we'll also review some movements to avoid to make sure we get the right intent into the exercise. So let's get right to it. All right, now let's start the exercise. First, the setup. You're gonna get a chair. You're gonna find the edge of a bed or a coffee table where you can put your feet up on it so you can get your knees and hips at about 90 degrees. So let me lay down and we're gonna start the exercise. You're gonna put your feet on the chair. You're gonna make sure the knees are gonna be in line with your hips, and you're gonna first dig your heels down into the chair. And when you dig your heel into the chair, you're gonna feel your hamstring muscles, which is the back of the thigh, and you wanna feel it around here and a little bit towards the buttock. While you feel it, you're gonna start peeling, and I'm gonna show you where we're gonna talk about peeling here off the ground. And I'll show you it again. I'm gonna drop it down, kind of focus right here. I'm gonna dig again, dig your heels, feel the hamstrings to peel the tailbone off the ground. And that's how you do that exercise. All right, guys, so now let's talk about 3 things to avoid during these exercises to make sure we have the right intent for this drill. The first one is squeezing your butt. So I'm gonna lie in my back here. And in this time, if you squeeze your butt, both of them, and you're imagining like you have a $100 bill and you're squeezing those 2 butt cheeks too much that you don't want to let go, that is not what you want during this exercise. Number 2 is, I'm going to put my hand away here, is arching your back as you're doing the exercise. Right here. So right now I'm letting my back relax, and this one I'm arching my back as I do it. That is not the intent of the exercise. Number 3 is me lifting my back too much. So as I lift my whole back, you can see right here, lifts too much off the ground. That is not the point or intent of the exercise as well. So these are the 3 things that you can avoid that commonly happens during the exercise.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found that helpful, and if you now are thinking that I wonder what else this person can help me with, please go to our website at www.kamiyama.com and find other free contents or apply to our free discovery visits to further see if we can help you. For any further information, please email us at info@kamiyama.com. Thank you so much.